So the camera specs for Samsung Galaxy S20 lineup are finally leaked, and we have all information about the new leaks of camera sensor as well as camera features. Also we have some video clips of S20 Plus camera application and camera function. So according to leaked pictures, S20 Plus will have a quad camera setup. According to Ice Universe, Samsung S20 will have a 12 megapixel, a 64 megapixel and another 12 megapixel camera sensor with no TOF sensor, and this main 12 megapixel sensor will be Sony's IMX555 sensor, which is recently released sensor from Sony, and this is absolutely the latest one from Sony, so we can actually expect the better results from this camera sensor. And then S20 Plus will feature those same sensors but with addition of TOF sensor, and here in S20 64 megapixel sensor is from Samsung, the ISOCELL S5K GW2, but in S20 Ultra things get changed. It will feature a 108 megapixel custom brilliant high resolution camera sensor, a 48 megapixel camera sensor and a 12 megapixel sensor with same TOF sensor, and front camera is also made from Sony, which is IMX374, and it is a 10 megapixel sensor same as seen on Note 10 and S10, which supports 4K recording at 30 fps. And this front camera's leaked picture is also here. You can see all of the details and camera sensor details of this front selfie shooter of S20 Plus here. Along with that, 5000 milliamps of battery with 45 watts of super fast charging is also confirmed. The only thing missing is a macro lens and 108 megapixel from base models. For now, it is rumored that only higher end variant will have 108 megapixel sensor. Let's see that what Samsung is gonna do with this sensor. Will it implement it on base models or not? And 8K recording is also confirmed on S20 Plus. We all know, but this 8K recording is just logged at 30 fps as seen in leaked pictures, so this could be an issue for some cinematographers because they sometimes use 24 fps or lower fps maybe, but it is logged at 30 fps, so this could be a problem for them. But S20 Plus will be able to record 4K videos even at 60 fps smoothly with optical and electrical image stabilizations, so there is no issue for 8K problems. Even if this feature was not present on S20 lineup, it could not affect phone's reputation. Samsung is also bringing zoom in mic feature we have seen on Note 10 series. And then a new selfie mode is here called as Smart Selfie. So when your selfie camera will detect more than 2 people in camera, it will switch the camera to ultra wide angle lens, and this is how this Smart Selfie feature actually works. And then we have those single mode, pro video mode and all that stuff I have talked about in recent videos. I will leave that video's link in the description below or in the upper card top right corner, so you can check out. And here is a short clip from XDA developers. This was leaked somehow, showing the major functions of camera like photo, video, super slow motion and then slow motion, and here also this pro video mode. This is really amazing feature and it's going to blow up the market, so it is also confirmed now thanks to Leakster for this clip showing every outfit of camera. Well, that were some new amazing leaks regarding S20 lineup, camera specs. Samsung Unpacked event is just a few weeks far. We will see official release of smartphone on 11th February 2020. Till that, stay connected with me, keep supporting, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.